Hello, my pottery posse. How are you today? I hope you're doing fabulous. If you're new here, hello. My name is Emily Edens and I am the PotterEden. Welcome to my channel. Hi. So today we are looking at the amazing and wonderful and pottery transforming texture tools. It's gonna be awesome. And yes, I've already made a few videos kind of hinting at my texture tools, but today we're talking about all of them. And we're talking about stuff that you could make yourself or buy. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so it's time to go grab a bunch of stuff that has some nice looking texture on it. And today I'm going to be showing you how to not only use the things that I have bought, but also how to make your own. And also we're gonna make some tiny molds, bonus content. So here's all my things. I have some rolling pins. I have some stamps, a box of things, a bowl for its pattern. Here's some beautiful little appliques that I got from an antique store. And some doilies I got from the same antique store. I got this for 25 cents at Wally Martinez. Pretty much anything that will lay flat is amazing for texture. And of course, you have seen my noodles from my last video. I got these cool little nifty things on Amazon. While you're just sitting here looking at me do stuff, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? You know, if you feel like hitting the like button, that would be nice too. But I guess you should just wait until the end of the video and then decide if you actually like it and then hit the like button. I am going to go ahead and roll out a slab to showcase how my rolling pins and doilies look when you use them. Please ignore the fact that I barely wedged this at all and there's like a million little bubbles in there. I'm not actually going to use this for any pieces. I'm just going to be demoing how they look. So I'm just going to end up wedging this later. So just ignore those bubbles. So first up, I have got some little appliques and my leaves. So you kind of want to just stick them on there where you think they look good. Use a rolling pin and roll them on there. And they look so cute. Now I'm going to show you the little rolly things that I got on Amazon. And I will link all this stuff down in the description box below. So make sure that you check that out. This looks so awesome on the bottom of mugs and things. And when I say bottom, I mean the bottom of the wall on the outside. And because these are made of rubber, please make sure that your clay is at the leather hard stage. Or put lots of baby powder or cornstarch on it so that it doesn't stick, because the clay will stick between all the little crevices and then it will end up ripping your piece apart. Trust me, it's not fun. Oh, okay. That's good. Yeah, sometimes that happens when you're not paying attention. I started too close to the edge, and I'm just gonna go for it. These are absolutely beautiful rollers. They're actually used for cookies, and I got them on Etsy. Okay, just going with it. Let's just try that on the other side, even though I know it's probably not gonna end well. Yep, I knew that was not going to work out well. Okay. This is why we use baby powder, my friends. Baby powder. Okay, so with the doilies, it's pretty much the same. You just kind of stick it on there wherever you want it. Make sure that it's nice and straight. If there's any kind of weird bunching up, it will show. So make sure it's nice and straight, and then use the rolling pin, roll it out, and peel it away. Notice that it's still clean, which really surprised me the first time that I did this. I really thought it was gonna peel off and be nasty and dirty and gross, and I was going to have to wash it all the time, and I actually don't. Now, if this doesn't stick where you can't straighten it out, go ahead and use a sponge and get the surface a little bit wet so that the doily sticks, and then roll it on and peel it away. So cute. Y'all have already seen this mug in my last video, and if you haven't, go check that out. But today I'm going to add a little something with a press mold that I made. And then I'm going to show you how I made it. This press mold is made of a mid-range clay body, and to use it, super simple. Just take a piece of pre-wedged clay and press it into the mold. Now, when you do press it in, make sure to really work it into the crevices by pushing the clay out and down rather than just down. Once you've done that, take it out of the mold and cut around the edges to make a clean figure, whatever it is. As you can tell, these are flowers, so I thought it would be really cute on the handle of this mug with the bees. So cute. Okay, now we make one. Starting off again with a pre-wedged piece of clay in the shape of a pebble, I am just going to take my knife tool and carve inward. You have to think opposite when making a mold, so you have to make sure to carve downward on the parts that should be more outward when it comes out of the mold. This one is not turning out so well, so yeah, let's start over on the back. I am thinking the straight edge is going to work out nicer. Yep, definitely. Again, notice that the parts that should stick up further than the rest are actually pushed down further into the clay. And here's a little something for your beautiful eyeballs. My sweet mama made this in a workshop that I hosted. Isn't she talented? Shout out to my mumsy. And as you can see, she used my flower push mold for an accent and my rolling pin on the back. And now onto this doily again because it's too cute not to make something with, so shwa! Isn't she cute? I used that cute little pearl bracelet to make this push mold. And I don't like how this is turning out either. Blah! Let's try this one that I made from a thick manila rope. Pressing it in, pulling it out, and cutting it down. You can also press the back in as well, but you may lose some of that sharpness from your mold by doing that. Let's cut this down a tad. Very nice. Now, I bet you've been wondering what the heck this thing is and what they're for, like the whole video. So I have these cute little erasers that look like food. And when I first discovered push molds, I searched my house looking for things that I could make cute little push molds out of. And I remembered these. So I'm going to show you how I make this cute little cupcake. First things first, just like the flower push mold, grab a piece of pre-wedged clay, and this time, because the icing is so tall, I'm gonna form this little ball into a cone so it fits down in there, and I'll get all the details from the mold. If your clay gets stuck, just grab another piece of clay and pop it out. Do the bottom half. line them up, then score, slip, and attach them. Oh, so cute! So stinking adorable. Okay, so remember the little bowl I pulled out for this pattern? I'm wanting to try to make an impressed roller, but I'd better have some baby powder nearby. And if that doesn't work, well, I don't have Mrs. Pam, but I do have a Misto. Misto! Get it? Like Mrs., Mr., never mind. I'm going to start off by making a ring of clay and flattening the outside. And this is ginormo, so I'm going to make a smaller one. Okay, here goes nothing. Let's see if I can press this in without it sticking. Hey-o, it worked. I think I let it dry just enough that it didn't have a problem. Normally glass sticks, but now what do I do with the bigger ring I made? Okay, I'm gonna try to make a roller that's the opposite of what this rubber one does. Clean it up a little bit, trim the outside. And this didn't line up, so maybe I cut it, trim it some. Nope, this is a stupid idea. Maybe a little one will work better. Yeah, it's okay. But now I don't like this one. If this video doesn't do anything for you, but shows you that making mistakes is okay, then it's here for a good reason. Don't be afraid to fail. I had a rough day with all these mistakes, and this whole week has kind of been like that for me, to be honest. But sometimes life is filled with mistakes and hard times, and we have to just keep pushing on. Tomorrow is a brand new day with new adventures and plenty of blessings. Well, I guess that's it for today. Go get to making some texture tools. I'm really sorry. There's not going to be a reveal at the end of today's video, and if you're looking for that reveal, you can probably catch it next week. Next week is going to be a Pottery, and I'm really excited about it. So you should definitely come back for that, for sure. Thanks again for being here, and until next time, I'll see you then. Okay, bye.